Importance and relevance of a Greenpeace organization. Greenpeace is an independent global campaigning organization that acts to change attitudes and behavior, protect and conserve the environment, and promote peace. Greenpeace is the leading independent campaigning organization that uses nonviolent direct action and creative communication to expose global environmental problems and promote solutions that are essential to a green and peaceful future.
Genetically modified organism and the current uses of the genetically modified organism. A genetically modified organism contains DNA that has been altered using genetic engineering. Genetically modified animals are mainly used for research purposes, while genetically modified plants are common in today's food supply. Some benefits of genetic engineering in agriculture are increased crop yields, reduced cost for food or drug production, reduced need for pesticide, enhanced nutrient composition and food quality, resistant to pest and disease, greater food security, and medical benefits to the world's growing population.
Significance of genetically modified organisms. The importance of genetically modified organisms, or GMOs, is that it provides certain advantages to producers and consumers. Modified plants, for example, can at least initially help protect crops by providing resistance to a specific disease or insect, ensuring greater food production.
What is genetic engineering? Genetic engineering, sometimes called genetic modification, is the process of altering the DNA in an organism's genome. It is a direct manipulation of DNA to alter an organism's properties or phenotype in a specific way. It may also mean extracting DNA from an organism's genome and combining it with the DNA of another individual. Scientists employ genetic engineering to improve or modify the traits of an individual organism. Genetic engineering can be applied to any organism from a virus to a ship. For example, genetic engineering can be utilized to create plants with higher nutritional value or that can withstand exposure to pesticide treatments.
The benefits and negative effects of genetically modified organisms on the environment, health, and biodiversity. Genetic modification produces genetically modified animals, plants, and organisms. If they are introduced into the environment, they can affect biodiversity. For example, existing species can be overrun by more dominant new species. GE crops paired with their pesticide counterparts wreak havoc on the environment through increased herbicide use, increase of herbicide-resistant weeds, the contamination of organic and conventional non-GMO crops. So, we know that GMO are safe to use and in some instances can be applied in beneficial ways. The real problem with a genetically modified organisms or GMO is not actually GMOs themselves, but the industrial farming system behind them. We're using GMO foods to bolster an unsustainable system. However, my concerns have been raised, especially in the areas of safety testing and food labeling. We must be cautious to avoid harm it may cause to our health and our environment.